Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. So in this video we'll be constructing the last problem from exercise 11.2 and it is in fact the last one from the chapter of constructions. So far we have constructed a number of triangles and a number of circles, and this is the last one. And in this the question is given is draw a circle with the help of a bangle. Take a point outside the circle. Construct the pair of tangents from this point to the circle. Okay, so let's first draw a circle. So I've drawn a circle over here, and we have been told it is to be drawn with the help of a bangle. So I've constructed a circle or drawn a circle with the help of a bangle. But the problem in this circle is because we have drawn it with the help of a bangle, we do not know its center. Okay, and we need to take a point outside this circle somewhere over here and draw the tangents to this circle. But the thing is, in order to do that, we need to know what is the center. It should be somewhere over here, but we do not know because we have not constructed with the help of a compass, but with the help of a bangle. So let us first find or locate the center of this circle. Okay, so I'll take 3 points randomly on this circle. Let's say the points are over here, 1 and maybe 2. I'll just mark them bigger, and maybe here over here 3. Okay, so see, on a circle there are only one circle that will pass through any of these 3 points. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just join these points. There you go. I'll join this one as well. Fine. Now what I need to do next is I need to construct a perpendicular bisector to this chord. Okay, so make sure I just take more than half of its length. Okay, over here. And mark the points of intersection of this intersecting arcs and draw a perpendicular passing through those 2 points. Okay, there you go. And I'll do the same with the other chord as well. Draw a perpendicular bisector to that one, and this is also more than half its length, so keep it over here. Draw an arc and one over here. Do the same by keeping it over here. And just cutting this one here. Mark the point where the 2 arcs intersect here, one and one over here. I'll draw a line passing through those points this way. Okay. And now actually where these 2 points, perpendicular bisectors meet, that is over here, that will be our center. Mark this as O. Okay, now how do we know that is our perpendicular bisector? If you join this O to this point over here, and this O to this point, the 3 points that we have assumed on this circle, okay, and one over here. Okay, all these 3 are radii of the circle and they will be of equal length. Okay, so that shows you that we've got our center. Now next is, we were asked, we need take a point outside the circle. So we need to take any point outside the circle. Let's say we take the point out over here. Okay, we'll mark this as P. Okay, and now what we need to do is we'll just join this point P to O. Okay, and in order to draw tangents, we know how the usual method goes for drawing tangents. We'll have to draw a perpendicular bisector to OP, and then at the point midpoint, from there we'll have to take the radius and draw another circle, and then when the circle meets this circle, that will be our tangent. So the usual procedure. So let's draw a perpendicular bisector to OP. So let's take this point, take a length which is greater than the length of OP. Here. Okay. And then from P, I will cut those 2 arcs here and here. That's it. Just mark the points where the 2 arcs intersect. One over here, one over here, and I will join those 2 arcs, the intersection of those 2 arcs. Here you go. And the point where it meets, that will be our new center. I'll call it O dash. And from O dash to P will be the radii of the new circle that we will be constructing. Okay. Yes. Sorry. That's the circle we've constructed. Okay. So now all we need to do is mark the point where the 2 circles have intersected, and from there we mark them as, let's say, R and S, and I'll join P to S and also P to R over here, and those are our 2 tangents. We mark this as maybe A, B and C. Okay, so that's what was asked over here. The only difference over here was we were not given a center, because we drew this, or we constructed this circle with the help of Bangle. So we had to locate the center. Once we had located the center, all we needed to do was join the center of the circle to an external point which we said is P, and then we constructed a perpendicular bisector, got midpoint of that, used the midpoint as the new center and constructed a new circle. This new circle intersected the previous circle at 2 points, and those 2 points became the points from where the tangents were drawn to the external point P. Okay, so that is the construction that we are asked in this question number 7. I hope you found this particular video and the other videos on constructions very useful and understanding. If you like watching this video and the other videos, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.